Hi, we're students from the region school right here in DITNS, Norway.
NASA Connect asked us to show you this activity. It's called Where to See an Aurora.
You can download a lesson guide and a list of materials from the NASA Connect website.
Here are the main objectives.
Students will find and plot locations on maps using geographic coordinates, draw conclusions based on graphical information, convert centimeters to kilometers using a given scale. Here are some terms you will need to know. Latitude, a geographic coordinate measured from the equator, with positive values going north and negative values going south. Longitude, a geographic coordinate measured from the prime meridian, which is the longitude that runs from Greenwich, England, with positive values going east and negative values going west.
Good morning, class. The northern lights are seen most dramatically in only certain places in the northern hemisphere. Today you will plot the location and boundaries of a typical auroral oval in the Arctic region. You will see its geographic extent and determine its relationship to familiar continents and countries.
Distribute all student materials. Students can work alone or in pairs. Students, label the latitude lines beginning at the center point with 90 degrees. Then mark each circle 10 degrees less than the previous circle, ending at 20 degrees. Next, label the unmarked longitude lines. Plot the points onto the geographic grid for the outer ring. The geographic data points can be found on the student activity sheet. The points are identified as ordered pairs, longitude-latitude. For example, the ordered pair 180-60 means 180 degrees longitude and 60 degrees latitude. Connect the points in the outer ring. Now, plot the points onto the geographic grid for the inner ring and connect the points. Using the scale 1 centimeter equals 1,400 kilometers, measure, in kilometers, the approximate width of the shortest and longest distances between the inner and outer rings and determine the range. Record these values on the student activity sheet.
Okay, class. From the analysis of your graph, how far is the center of the auroral oval from the North Pole?
I calculated that the center of the auroral oval is about 500 kilometers from the North Pole.
Very good, Marita. And where would you travel in North America to see the Northern Lights?
From the graph, either Canada or Alaska are the best places to view the Northern Lights.
Students, once you complete the hands-on activity, check out the web activity for today's program called the NASA Northern Lights Challenge. It can be accessed at the NASA Connect website. This activity is created to be fun, interactive, and will challenge your ability to solve problems. During the course of the activity, you'll use various probes to explore properties of the planets in our solar system. There are 8 interactive probes in different colored boxes along the 2 sides. You'll learn about the temperature, magnetic field strength, solar wind density, atmospheric gases, mean distance, mean density, gravity, and speed on other planets. Upon exploring each planet, you will apply what you learned to solve the following problem. What other planets may have the Northern Lights? Special thanks to the students from Brandon Middle School and Lansdowne Middle School in Virginia Beach, Virginia for demonstrating this web activity.